I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can ride all this.
Hey y'all, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. If you guys have been keeping up with me, you guys know I've been rocking curly hair for like the past, I would say 2 or 3 months now, and I am tired of it. I'm just like so ready for a change. So for today's video, I'm doing a wig install from Wesface Hair. So this is a cute box that your wig comes in. You guys don't even understand how excited I am about this wig. With your wigs, they do send you some wig caps. You also get some lashes. They also provide you with a melt band, a brush to lay those edges, and this is just like a little pouch. So I did get their straight black wig. Now this is a 5x5 lace closure. It's not a full frontal. I'm just gonna unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. So that's what the inside of your wig is looking like. It does come with the extra elastic band and also the extra jaw straps in the back. You can have some baby hairs on it. The hair does feel really soft and smooth. Yeah, this is gonna be so long. This is 28 inch. I haven't worn anything longer than I would say a 22 inch in the past. What, since the year has started? I'm hyped. Okay, let's get into it because I cannot wait. All right, y'all, so because the lace is not bleached or anything, I'm just gonna use some foundation and tint my lace. That way just like looks better against my skin. Alright, so this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the box. I'm loving the fact that the lace itself does come, it comes semi-plucked. I don't really think I'll have to really go back in and pluck any more hair out of it. It's really soft. I can run my fingers through it with no problem. It's also super long, you guys, like I'm sitting on right now. So the hair is pretty long. It's also true to length, and I like that it's actually full all the way down to the ends of the hair. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. On their website, this wig is their 5x5 natural black lace closure wig. I did get mine in a 28 inch. Right now on their website, this wig is going for $365, I believe. And also this is a 180 density. So yeah, this is pretty much the wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this lace and style it for you guys. First thing that I'm doing is going in with my rat tail comb, giving myself a super straight center part. We are going for a sleek bust down look today, so you want to make sure that that part in space is extra straight. Then I'm taking my hot comb and making sure that that hair is super laid and super flat. And then I'm taking my wax stick. This is just going to help my hair to lay super flat and get that really sleek look on the top. Also help me to avoid any flyaways. As you guys can see, your unit does already come with the baby hairs in the front for you, but because I want to do like a no baby hair look, I'm really going for just like a super clean hairline, no baby hairs. So what I'm doing is basically just taking all the baby hairs that did come on your wig, and I'm pulling them back towards the rest of the hair, and in the same time I'm also plucking them out as I go along. So as you guys can see, the pieces that was left out in the front for you to add baby hairs, those are the pieces that I'm mainly plucking out. And I pretty much continued this around the entire hairline until I had my desired look, and that hairline was just giving scalp. It looked so natural. Now I'm just cutting off all that excess lace, and honestly I do feel like this is a wig you can wear glueless. I would say just tighten the straps in the back, like all the elastic band and the jaw straps that comes in your wig, and you definitely can get away with wearing this wig glueless. But for me, I did want a little bit more security as I was going out this night, so I did lay down my wig with the Ebon Wonder Lace spray. And after I was finished laying down my wig, I just tied it up with my melt band, let that sit until I was pretty much done styling the hair. Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and straighten out this hair, get it to look bone straight. We need that straight bust out, okay? This is the hair, no products added to it. It's super soft, super silky. I'm now just gonna take my iron and straighten it out because I want it bone straight. But this is some luscious hair. I love this. Now guys, when it comes to quality and like just luscious hair, this hair looks so good. This is probably one of the best bone straight wigs I've had in forever. Like, the hair is just absolutely amazing. I love the fact that it's also true to length, so like the ends are not too thin. Don't get me wrong, it's not the fullest, but it does not look scanty like where you're missing a bundle or two. Honestly, the wig is just super bomb, and I was so amazed. I was like just feeling myself this entire night. Like, you cannot tell me nothing when I had this wig on my head. I felt like I was the baddest thing in the room, which I was. And yeah, the wig is definitely popping. Like, as you guys can see, the wig looks good. Like, it looks good. But yeah, as you guys can see, your girl was feeling herself a little. You know, the wig is just luscious. It's given everything. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But for those of you who are new here, I do have a wig sale soon coming up. I do sell all my wigs that I do review on my YouTube channel, so definitely follow me on Instagram so you will not miss any of my uploads, because I do sell them on my story. So there's not going to be like an official post on my page. It's just on my story. I post like all my wigs. So yeah, if you guys do want this one, reach out to me. It's definitely up for grabs. Alright you guys, this is pretty much the wig now that I'm done with installing this, and when I tell you guys, I am so obsessed right now. Like, this looks absolutely beautiful. The hair is super soft, super silky. It's probably one of the best bone straight hair I have had in like a while. I haven't done like a really straight hair like this in forever, so I'm just like, I love this right now. Like, this is giving me so much life right now. It is super sexy, it's super sleek, and you know you can never go wrong with a bust down, okay? So again, this wig is from Wesface here. I will have all their details listed down below in the description box for you guys. This wig is so bomb, you guys, and I love the whole no baby hair look. Me personally, I do prefer my wigs to have like no baby hair. I just feel like it looks a lot more natural and more clean, and this wig is definitely giving me all the right vibes right now. It just looks so clean, it looks sleek, the hair is super nice, and not to mention it's super soft. So far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this hair. It's honestly doing amazing right now. But yeah, this is pretty much the hair. If I did forget to mention anything, that will be linked down below for you guys as well. If I do have a coupon code for you guys, that will be linked in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.